Alright, here's my 1 week review of the Huffy Nighthawk Walmart mountain bike for $100. Alright, here's some pluses about it. It's got disc brakes. The frame is solid, rigid steel, which I plan to convert this to an e-bike later. It has shocks in the front. As you can see, I took it out on the trail. I wouldn't take it out on a major trail, but there's actually grease coming out. I don't know if you can really see it. You can see it right there a little bit. The shifting, it's an 18 speed. I haven't had any problems with the shifting. The pedals are just plastic. Probably change those out maybe later. Might even change the crank out. If you can kind of see it, it's only it looks wider and stiffer, but it's actually the metal's right in here, and then it's a wider plastic. They try to fake you out there, but it's adequate for $100. I wouldn't expect too much. It's got a Shimano gear shifter. It's plastic, but one of the lower quality ones. If it breaks, I'll just change it out. It's got 26-inch tires. Don't seem too bad now. Only been using the bike for a week. Seat's alright. It's not real comfortable, but it's not really that uncomfortable either. So for $100, and if you're not gonna do any major trail riding, just mostly street riding, that's adequate. I would buy it for that. Alright, that's my review.